All right, guys, here we are. We're gonna do a small, quick review of the ballast regulator. His name is KBR-925. It runs a 260 horsepower Cummins Tier 3 engine. It's brand new, 0 miles. You can see. All right, do a quick spin around it. You can see it. It's a Cummins. Brand new, 0 miles. Of course, it needs depth to run. You got to hook it, tow it. Brand new. You got adjustable flaps. These are Cummins engines, 260 horsepower.
260 horsepower. V6 turbocharged Cummins. Yeah, this shit is nice.
Nice. You got the diesel tank.
These are the wings.
Then we got the hydraulic tank. Hydraulic fluid.
Alright, show them the cabin.
We got
Storage.
toolbox.
No enseñaste, no enseñé.
Alright, we're gonna show you the inside.
Oh, it has 2 diesel tanks. Alright, so this is the inside. As you can see, it's brand new. Start it right there.
We got front light. You can see what you're doing. Now we're gonna fire up. There it is, guys. You got fans, dual fans.
You got storage right here.
You got windshield wipers.
This is the company that makes them.
We got different settings. There's one that comes with a bigger screen, but this one, I guess that one with a single version. But it still shows you your D, your depth, level, diesel level. And we got to operate the machine. We got the brake. It's kind of like an excavator joystick controllers. We got to operate the brooms, and we got all the locks. So this we operate the wings. We got the lights. Show them the lights over here. Travel lights, on off. Work lights to the side.
Right side on.
And that light.
Back light. This.
There it is. Alright.
That's about
We
it.
got passenger. Also, we got a passenger seat in case we go with someone else.
Storage.
Alright. And that's all, guys. I hope you enjoy it.
We'll show them the temper next.
Alright. Keep doing quick reviews.